Hello guys, this is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials, and today we are going to do some quick hairstyle for short hair. We always have a query of how to style our hair. If you want to know few quick hairstyles, I am here to solve your issues, and if you're wondering how, please keep on watching.
So I'll be ready, huh?
All you need for these video is some hair ties, some bobby pins, some tic-tac pins and some U-pins. So of course the most popular hairstyle which you can do is tie a beautiful high ponytail. So to give a little bit of volume, what I will do is take one section of your pony right in the front, take a bobby pin and place it right in the center of your pony and just take it back. Let's get to the second one. So I'll be taking the crown part of my hair, or the first part of my hair, and I'll quickly brush it roughly and tie this all together. So this is the hairstyle number 2, and the hairstyle number 3 goes very simple. Just take this and roll it. I put this into shape with a nice U-pin. So switching to the fourth hairstyle, what we do is a partition in the center and tie them all. Let's switch to the next hairstyle, as I've lost the count, and what I quickly do is I'll just twist this part of my hair and roll this, and with the help of a bobby pin I'll secure it right away, and the same thing on the other side as well. That's it. This is also my next hairstyle. So this is my next hairstyle. I know I look funny, but this hairstyle looks good on some people. So yeah, the people who find this comfortable can do. This can be done exactly right up there, and yeah, it looks as if I'm wearing a headphone. Oh my god, it's looking funny on me. So let's switch to the next hairstyle. So the next hairstyle which I am going to do is just twist the hair, take it back and secure it with a pin, and there you go. Anyways, so I love this one. You can carry this anywhere, like for your makeup or even on Indian clothes. It looks really nice with the bindi and all that. Let's switch to the next one. Just part your hair on one side. If you're having not so good hair day, you can just take front part of your hair and tease them a little bit. You get a good bounce and then you're good to go. So this would be your next hairstyle. And another one which you can modify into is just twist the hair and take a new one. Keep on doing that till you finish and come till the end. Taking it back, secure it with a pin. That's it. So this is it, and these are few little very common hairstyles which you can don on everyday basis if you have short to medium length hair. Do not forget to comment in the comment section below which was your favorite one amongst all these, and if you wear any of it, please do not forget to post your picture on Instagram and tag me there. If you feel that this video was entertaining enough, we can do something like this another time. So till then, I love you guys, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to share it with all your friends. I hope that you are loving all my videos out there, and if you want to see all my other videos, please do not forget to click the description box. There are many videos linked down below for you guys to give you some beautiful dose of fashion. So this is Forum signing off for today, and I will be seeing you in my next one.